Hello, Lawrence. Hope you are doing well. Uh, Regarding the screenshot, I wanted to explain you the matter. Just try to understand. It depends. This targeting, this kinds of targeting, it depends on your campaign objective. No, sorry, it depends on your campaign objective and type of campaign, and depends on type of campaign. So when you select the display campaign only, you can select any of them according your objectives. But when you select only display campaign, then this option will work. This option will work. Otherwise, you will not get these things. The matter is here. There are three type of settings. First one is for keywords. It's suggesting actually what is that. It's telling that suggest terms related to your product or service to target relevant website. Um, when you select keyword, when you select any keyword, I'm showing you. Just click on that, continue, start new. How the option will work, you have to understand it, nothing more. So United States more setting, dynamic. There are many options here. Dynamic ads is another case, but just click on next, and it's bidding to. So now you can click on targeting, then you will find at targeting. Look here, here is the option. So actually what is telling that, if you read the what icon, from read what icon actually, keyword targeting lets you choose those phrases related to your product or services. If you select any keyword, how can it work? When you click on it, look here, here it's telling to add some keywords like music, um, Hollywood, or nothing more. Let's just think T-shirt. If you add more keyword, you can do it under giving enter. And actually, why we will use it and how it's work. It's telling it very clearly here. Look here. Customer will send to your website these kinds of website, who is, I mean, your product relate to your search terms. People are searching like buy buy flat in Florida. So the ad will present these kinds of website like Zillow. He can place your ads on the according to the keywords as display ads. If they are allowed to show display ads, then you will able to do it. It's matter of Google. You don't need to understand it. But I hope you will clear. So that is one thing. If we click on to our back, or sorry, so here what you have to do. So one is done. That's for keyword, t-shirt keyword. And if you target topics the same thing. Those kinds of website are have write an article on this kinds of t-shirt, these kinds of keyword actually. So it depends on keywords, I mean, the topics related actually. And the video also, you can place ad to your video. And a final thing, and the final thing is placement. Actually, it depends on search term, this type of keywords when people search on Google. Okay. And if you select topics means suggested website and the videos about certain topic, uh, like a plumbing related video. A plumbing related video, when someone searching ads on This kinds of video, but you are targeting this keyword t-shirt, I mean if match your industry, then it will work. So that is topic actually. So topics, if you read on it, for example, by targeting authors and vehicles topic, your ad may appear on site, website, apps, YouTube videos with the content about cars and other automobile themes. That's it. Okay. And the last thing is placement. So placement, how can you do that actually? If you want to target a specific website, then you can select website or enter your direct URL. Google will try to place ad if it's depends on kinds of bidding who are, I mean your competitor, depends on your competitor. If the same kinds industry uh, more industry work, then that will be a fighting situation. So if you run this campaign, sometimes it will take more time or it cannot be run, then you have to understand the problem with budget, daily budget. And also you target any YouTube video from here, the same thing, that's the matter. So if you get time, give me a knock, I will talk with you regarding the we talked about three websites, I mean ShareSL and ClickBank or Max Bounty. So we can try at first maxbounty.com. So we want to create an account here. If you help me, that will be great. So please let me know when you will be available. I will create a Max Bounty account. Okay, thank you.